that corner was sticking out too far, so I had to go and notch these out about a 1/2 inch, bring it around so it'd line up with that building a little bit better. We got some more rafters put up this afternoon. We've had a slow day. We've had some interruptions. Hopefully get more done tomorrow. I'll start putting some purlins on, finish the rafters over there, cutting the tails off. You know, we're just trying to give you an update here. Like I said, not real exciting, but we're hoping to have this metal done here by the 1st of December. I got some people coming to help here. Probably, I don't know if we'll get started next week because there's a holiday and everything. Like I said, we'll just kind of keep you updated every day. I'm going to keep this short. I'm just, like I said, I like to be able to bring you in on some of the details when we're doing stuff. It's not rocket science, you know, it's just cutting tails and cutting rafter plumb cuts, just trying to get things hung up there on that ridge beam so we can kind of get the roof done. We want to do the roof first, do the sides after that. So anyway, I appreciate you checking in with me. Comment if you'd like, subscribe if you like. I'm going to be posting more videos now that I got this thing going. So yeah, so anyway, Old Guy DIY, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.